What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and in today's video I have a special unboxing for you guys. As you can see, from LG. I reached out to LG and they sent me this package. Guess what's in it? Alright, you guys probably gonna know what's already in it from the description, the title of this video. But let's open this box and see what LG has blessed me with. I reached out to them, thanks to LG. I reached out to them for a review unit of the LG Velvet. You guessed it, the LG Velvet. I really wanted to get my hands on this device. I was gonna buy one, but thanks to LG again, you know, I'm probably gonna say that like 10 times in this video, but thanks to LG, I have a review unit right here, and I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the box. First thing is, what is this? Okay, a booklet of the Velvet. All right, okay. Alright, I'll read through this a little more. Put that to the side. Next thing we got is, okay, LG Velvet design. The feature of smartphone doesn't have to be bulky. Okay, and this one's basically says the same thing. And, okay, put that to the side. I'm gonna look through that later. And what is this? Let's see what's in there. Okay, they sent me a AT&T model. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side and look through the rest of the box to see what's underneath there. Put the phone to the side. Sorry again, I'm unboxing this from my car because I am not at home. I am out at work, and I really had to record this video. I just picked up the package from UPS, but let's see, what is this? Oh, what is this? A little something extra. Guys, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I'm gonna, okay, let me put this side, and let's see what else we have. A Type-C charger. I'm pretty sure it's for the device that I just picked up. Let's look at that again. It said it removed before use. Okay. All right, we're gonna peel this off. I know you guys like this for dramatic effect. All right, peel that off. And peel this off. And open this. Let's get started. This is my first time seeing all this, so if I look surprised, believe me, I am surprised. I don't even know what this is, to be honest with y'all. Okay, let's see. It says, get a free foam soap microfiber pad after registering your product. Things not going as planned. Okay. I believe this is for the cleaning of the device, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. But I look at this a little more later. I'll figure this out. But yeah, this is cool that LG included this. I appreciate it. Thanks, LG. Next thing in the box is the dual screen case. Yes. Yes, okay. I know this is a mid-range device, but I'm still excited. Like, I'm really excited about this. I really like what LG went with this time. Like the design cube. I really like this. I'm not gonna front. Okay, you know, it's been a while since I've been excited about an LG device. Really, it's been a while. But here is the dual screen case. Pull that off. Right there. Open it up. Got some paperwork. Quick start guide. Okay. And the charging magnet, which is good. Just gonna put that right here for a second. Put that in there. Okay, and let's see, in the box we have nothing else in the box for now. Put this away. All right, everybody, here is the main event. This is what this is all about, the unboxing. It's all about, I believe. Okay, let's look at the box. I don't see the specs on the box, but yeah. If you're watching this video, you most likely already know the specs of the phone, but I'm gonna put that in the video. You know, I'll put that on the side of the screen or in front so you guys can see what the specs are. Okay. All right, open. And here is the device right there, the Velvet, and feels sleek in the hand, man. It's a tall phone though. It's really tall. It feels good though. So far, so good. Put it aside. Let's go through the rest of the unboxing. Now, in here, I believe you have paperwork. Do we? Oh no, there's nothing in here. It's just what the phone sits in. Oh, whatever. Okay. Next is this. Let's see what's in here. More paperwork. Whoever reads through these, God bless your soul. The charging brick. Let's see. Okay. It's a fast charging brick. Okay. How many watts? Let's try to see that. I'll figure that out later. I can't really see it. The camera's not focusing. Type C. SIM ejection tool. And that is it, fellas, ladies. That is it. Nothing else comes in the box, and that's about it. All right. Let me boot this sucker up. Let me boot this up real quick. Okay, I know you guys like the, you know, like this part. Yeah, that's annoying. But let me boot this up real quick. There we go. LG Velvet in all its glory. All right, so it's not for sale. It's a review unit. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right, folks, I'm going to put in all my information and I'm going to be back with the rest of the video. Okay, guys, I'm done setting up the phone, putting in my information and all that. And the first thing I noticed about this phone, man, the screen. Boy, this screen is beautiful and gorgeous. I'm telling y'all, man. This screen is nice. Really nice, man. yeah, so far it's so good, man. I've been playing with the phone for a little while. Like I said, I put in my information, and so far I'm impressed. Like, first impression, LG nailed it. Like, first impression. And I'm not just saying this because, you know, they sent me a review unit. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just, you know, because once you get a new toy, like, a lot of times, you know, you're excited for that toy. You're excited to use it, and, you know, and whatnot. But like I said, despite this being a new toy, a new device, for me personally, so far, I like what I see for the price, for what they're offering for the price. I mean, nobody's beating this right now, not even Samsung. I mean, the screen is like, the screen compared to Samsung, yes, they're on the same level. Basically, they're on the same level when it comes to the screen. I'm gonna do a comparison video with you know, just testing out the screen, the color calibration and stuff like that at a later video. But I can't show you guys the screen right now because I'm currently recording this with my Samsung Galaxy A71. These two phones are around the same price. Yes, about the same price, or slightly different, but they're in the same category, mid-range. So, like I said, this is a tall phone, you know. I mean, my hands are big. Well, I have regular size to big hands, whatever. But this phone is really tall. That's just all I gotta say. So you're gonna have to do like that, slide your hand up and then reach to the top, unless you have, like, you know, Shaquille O'Neal hand or something like that. But so far, so good. The phone is like very bright. It gets really bright and vibrant, but as you know, no other phone gets as bright as Samsung phones. But I'll test out the brightness as well once I'm doing like the screen comparison between both devices. But like I said, so far so good. I can't put everything in this video because this is just an unboxing video, but I will have a full review, camera comparison, camera shootout video coming soon. Look out for that. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up in the comment. Like I said, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. I need the support to continue to do these videos and these review. You know, I take my time, I go out, I do these things because I enjoy doing them. Honestly, I really enjoy doing it. Like, you know, and I would really appreciate any support, you know. Just like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys around the device so far. This is the front. At the bottom you have the speaker, bottom firing speaker, Type-C, headphone jack, which is a plus. The power button is on the right, which is the right side. You have your Google Assistant button, volume up and down. At the top you have is that an IR blaster? That's probably a microphone, I'm not sure. SIM ejection tool, I mean, where your SIM goes, right there. On the back you have triple cameras and your flash. I believe this has dual speakers. I'm sure it has dual speaker. The front facing camera right there, and there's a speaker grill up here and one bottom firing speaker. Let's try fingerprint. Fingerprint works. Let's see the speed of it. Let's try this again correctly. This is hard to do because I'm doing it from behind the camera, but let's try this one more time. Bam, right there. Okay, it's fast enough. No complaints here. Fast enough. All right, guys, here's a quick overview of the key features right there. Right there, I'm gonna show you guys sleek and premium design, ergonomics 3D arc edge 6.8 inch OLED, 4K video recording. Okay, let's look at the specs for the display right there. Like I said, 6.8 inch full HD OLED display, 2460 by 1080, 395 ppi. That's for the pixel. The chipset is a Snapdragon 765 5G. Memory 128 gigs. Okay, support up to 2 terabyte if you have an SD card. The camera, you got triple camera, standard 48 megapixel, wide angle 8 megapixel. Time of flight 5 megapixel. Front camera 16 megapixel. 3D audio, sound engine, 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, and okay, this is Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0. The battery capacity is 4,300 milliamp hour, and that's the spec list. That's just the spec sheet. But yeah, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play with this phone a little more in a couple of weeks, and I'll let you guys know what I really think. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.